everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to tell you what high ticket affiliate marketing is. High ticket affiliate marketing is basically selling products that pays you a big commission, ideally more than $500. High ticket affiliate programs are mostly based in finance niche, whether it's investing, business opportunities or loans. These are sub niches wherein you can make money. The thing with affiliate marketing is that since it's a big investment, people need some time to think and hence buying cycles are a bit longer. People usually take 30 to 60 days to buy. Therefore, it is very important to check the cookie length of the affiliate program that you're promoting. The cookie length is the length between when someone first click on the affiliate link and when they decide to purchase. High ticket affiliate marketing also requires an email funnel where the customer keep getting the email before the purchases. Therefore, email marketing is a big part of it. Some affiliate programs also provide call services wherein a real person calls the lead and give them all the information about the program. Finally, make the decision. The best platforms that you can use for high ticket affiliate program right now is the short form videos on TikTok and Instagram to capture leads and then converting them, and then a high converting email sequence that will follow them until they purchase. Right now, if you're in US, then it's best bet to start your TikTok channel and start making short form videos, since TikTok uses sim location to decide your audience. Your videos will get shown to the people in US and it is best converting traffic. The high ticket affiliate niche right now is make money online. Due to global recession, people are looking for more ways to make money. If you show them a way to do so, they will happily invest, and the target audience for this niche is also vast since everyone wants to make more money. My best bet is to join a program where the call option is available to close the leads and where the cookie length is also more than 90 days. I have a program that meets all the criteria that I have shared in this video. Your funnels will be built by the team and the calling team will close all the leads. In fact, they will also provide free course where people can taste the actual course. I will post the link of the free course in the description below. You can see for yourself if you like or not. The success rate of their students is one of the highest I've ever seen because of their advanced funnels and calling team. Check the free training and I wish you all the best.